Hi folks, I'd like to use this tutorial today to show you how the crosshatch tool works, or the hatch tool. First off, I'm just going to draw a couple of shapes in my object layer. And I'll draw a triangle. So this triangle, it's very clear that all three points, all three lines intersect at the corners. This one, I'm going to intentionally leave one side unattached. Now the hatch tool is good for filling inside objects and inside spaces. And you can actually fill in two different spaces on what it looks to be the same object. I'll show you how to do that. The crosshatch tool is located here, and it's a multi-step tool, so you have to select the crosshatch tool, and then you're going to see this menu. And there's a couple things you have to do. Usually just leave this as the default predefined, and then when it says pattern and swatch, usually you can do one of two things. You can either click the drop down box and pick one. I usually just go with the visual method and click this one. Pops up all your options. So your cross hatching will look like this pattern, bricks, there's angles down here, etc. And there's also solid, which is just solid colors. So I'm going to pick solid color for now. Hit OK. Then where it says swatch, you can select a specific color. So in this case, I'll just select yellow. So I want to fill this part of this triangle with yellow. After that, you go up to boundaries, pick points, and then you just click inside the area. And as long as it's closed off by lines that intersect, all you have to do is hit space twice. I'm going to repeat that. I'm going to make this section blue. Crosshatch tool. I'm going to keep the solid one again. This time I will make it light blue, cyan. I'll go to pick points, click inside this area, hit spacebar twice, and you'll notice that I've got two different colors cross-hatched. The reason that I left this triangle open, or this triangular figure open, is to show you that what happens when you don't have an object that has a space that is completely surrounded or completely connected. If I try to cross-hatch this object, and doing the same things that I did before, I've got solid, I've got a cyan, now I go to pick points. If I try to click inside that, it says valid boundary not found. And the reason the boundary is not found is because it's open up here. It's not sure where to stop filling the color. So the way you can get around that is just by temporarily adding a line to close off the box, going into your crosshatch tool, picking points, space, space, and then you could delete this line up here if you really wanted to get rid of it.